My whisk just broke. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Rosa, and on this channel we make plant-based food for you and your family to enjoy. So, as you guys all know, lately we've been making sweet potato recipes because I put a poll out and most of you said that you want to have more recipes with sweet potatoes, okay? And you know I love sweet potatoes too, so I was trying to figure out another recipe, and something that me and my family really enjoy is cornbread. So I thought, maybe I'll try my hand at making a sweet potato cornbread. You know, why not? So this recipe right now is completely experimental with you guys, and I'm doing it for the first time with you. So here we go. Let's try. For this recipe, we're gonna have roasted sweet potato. I like to roast a sweet potato because it makes it a more richer, sweeter potato, and opposed to boiling the sweet potato because it adds more water or liquid content to it. So definitely roast a sweet potato, and you'll need about a cup of sweet potatoes for this recipe. All right, first, so I'm thinking we're gonna make a flax egg. So that's with flaxseed meal and some water. So what I'm doing here is I'm gonna put a 1/4 cup of flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of water. And we're gonna let that sit so it can actually make the flaxseed egg. All right, so to the bowl, I'm adding 1 cup and 1/4 cup of cornmeal, a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And you guys know I like to sift mine to get any excess clumps out of it, because a lot of times there's clumps and you don't want to bite into a bitter piece of baking powder. Let's do about a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, let's whisk these dry ingredients together really well. Okay, so for the sweeter component of this recipe, instead of regular sugar, I'm thinking I'm gonna add brown sugar. So 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. And you can also add maybe maple syrup or regular sugar, but again, completely experimental, we're gonna wing it. I'm thinking the brown sugar will give it a deeper, richer flavor. You know how when we put brown sugar on our sweet potato, so that kind of concept I'm thinking. We'll see. So while I'm filming right now, I thought something was inside the house and I kept hearing noises, and then all of a sudden I look over and there's a squirrel in the tree again. That's just the life out here in Mexico. Animals in the trees and just so much fun. So you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of cooked sweet potatoes. So I roasted the sweet potatoes like you saw earlier, and I'm just gonna get them nice and mashed up. So now we're gonna add that 1/2 cup of mashed sweet potatoes. And I melted 6 tablespoons of vegan butter. We'll add that flax egg, and there was 2 flax eggs that I made earlier. And to the bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or any plant-based milk. Let's get that all stirred up. Hey guys, I wanted to get on and share some exciting news with you. So most of you guys know I've been working on a new plant-based cookbook, and it's done. This cookbook contains 40 delicious recipes, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and desserts. It's perfect for those who are new to plant-based cooking, or if you're living a busy lifestyle, or even if you just want something quick and easy to prepare but tastes delicious. This cookbook is definitely for you. I put a link in the description so you can order your cookbook today. All right, so now back to the video. My whisk just broke. You want to see it? Okay, I need a new whisk. It just broke in half. Okay, I think this is done stirred now. All right, so I oiled a round pan. You can use a square one as well. I oiled it and I lined it with a little bit of parchment paper. And so we're just gonna pour the batter right in. Just spread that around nice and even. All right, we're gonna pop that in the oven and we're gonna let it bake for like 35 to 40 minutes until a toothpick come out clear or a fork comes out clear, okay guys? So I'll be right back. All right, so the cornbread's done. I let it cool down. So we're gonna cut it and we're gonna taste it. All right, let me move the rack. All right. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. All right, so let me cut it from, let's see, I'm gonna cut it from the center. You know why? Oh wait, wrong knife, hold on. What we need is serrated knife. All right. Let's see how it cuts. Okay, cuts pretty good. I just wanna make sure it got done in the center. Oh, okay, nice, all right. So it's nice and firm. I cooked it for 40 minutes, guys. So let me get a taste. Hopefully my hubby likes it. I think I'm gonna make some chili with this. Okay, take a centerpiece. Yeah, I know I'm cutting it all kind of crazy, but I'm trying to get a nice square and make sure it's done inside, see? Nice, see, I can see the little sweet potato in there. All right. Let me take a bite. I'll break off a piece. Seems tender. Okay. It's lightly sweet. I can taste the sweet potato a little bit. It's really moist. It's really good. It tastes like cornbread, but like a different type of cornbread. But it's really good, guys. I like it. Okay, we did good. So if you like more recipes like this, and of course more sweet potato recipes, give it a thumbs up and also click the subscribe button so you can see more recipes like this when I upload them, guys. So I am Rosa and I will see you on the next video. Bye.